Hope you like the first video of Pentao data integration. So here I come with the second version or second tutorial of Pentao data integration. In this tutorial I will be explaining you how to import data from CSV file, like any fixed file. If you want to import the data from any flat file, then you need to do first you need to open the Pentao, then followed by if you see in the top of the screen, you need to press this new file and you need to create a transformation. Basically, transformation is able to ingest the data from any data sources. Like on the left side, if you see, there is an input folder under which you can find each and every data source step from which you can take output and you can process the data. So here I give you example on the CSV file input. First I drag this step into the working area, then I just double click on this step. If you see, there are many details in which you can specify your file step name as per your requirement. You can make it any name. Then file name. In file name you need to specify the file location along with file name. You can also parameterize this field. As you see on the right corner, there is a dollar symbol which shows that you can use variable in this field, and you need to then specify a delimiter. In delimiter, this shows that your fields are separated by which delimiter. Here by default it is comma. You can change it whatever you want, just like pipeline, semicolon, and anything. If your fields are enclosure by double quotes, then you need to specify double quotes over here. And then lazy conversion. If you want to directly dump the data without data type conversion, you can check this lazy conversion. And NIO buffer size, it is by default 50,000, which you need not to change because it is default. In rare case, until an extreme, if the size grows on, then you need to change maybe. And then next option is header row present. If your CSV file containing header row, then you need to check this, else you need not to check header row present. Add file name to result. If you want to take file name, if you want to put file name into your one more extra field, like additional field which shows your file name, so you need to check this followed by name of that field. Just like I will mention now. If you want to need a file name to the result, you can check this option. And if you want the row number field name option, if you want to explicitly add a new row, a new field which gives you an additional row which contain row number of each input row, and run in parallel. If you check this option, you will get parallel execution of your rows. New line possible in field. In these are rarely used options. File encoding, you can find a lot of options in this. Based on your file encoding, you can use different options over it. Here you see, you need to put manually define the field name, field 1, field 2, like this. And this is type, in which you need to specify which type of data in that particular field. Like in first field we have string data, so we can put a string. And the format, there are many inbuilt formats for this number. If you put number, then you will have different number formats, just like 0.0. Then you can define the length of that particular number, and you can define the precision if there is any precision in your input. Okay, and you can also define currency, like if your one of the field is containing currency, then you can define currency, which currency it is, just like dollar and all. Okay, and then trim. If you want to trim from both the side, then you can select both, or maybe as per your requirement. Okay, so let me create one file and show you how it imports the data. So here I am going to create a new file in which I have just selected a file name .txt. okay, I open the file, created a fields, one space, yeah, then Ram. Again his salary is 20,000. Okay, and then row 2, let's take Kumar is having 10,000 salary. Okay, and then third name as Shyam. Here it is given as 3,000 salary, 30,000. Okay, I am going to save this and going to import this data from my Pentaho transformation CSV input step. So here I need to press the browse button and go to the specific location on which I have mentioned the file, created the file. Okay, this is my file which I have created on desktop. Now open this. As you see, it is in the all the details of this path along with file name is coming to this place. Okay, let me automatically specify delimiter. Here I have used is pipe, and then let me check if I will get the fields appropriate as per delimiter or not. So here is the step. Oh, file not found. So it is, I think it is saved as txt.txt. Okay, now get fields will show me all the fields. So see, if I don't have header in my file, so it is taking as header. So I have removed header row present. Again I have pressed get field. Okay, so it automatically identify based on delimiter all the field values. So if I don't want this, I will remove this and this. Okay. Here I have mentioned any file name, just like here I will give row number. It is a string only. Here it is name, and this is salary. So this is how. If I want to trim, let us suppose my file contain spaces on left right, so I have removed those spaces from both the sides. Then for a checking purpose, I can press preview. This shows if my data is properly read or not. If you see that I have properly, my data is readed in the step. So this is how I import the data from this using CSV file step. You can try different input steps based on your file, and do let me know if you have any problem in importing the data from different data sources. Thank you everyone.